Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Real McCoy 411. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Can you see the movement? Yeah, you see it. This is unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable about all it takes to grow your natural hair is to fall in love with your hair, spend time with your hair, and find out what works for your hair. Learn about your hair, and then once you learn about your hair, you learn about what you need to do with that type hair. Unbelievable. Today I'm going to be doing a dry wash and go using the Extreme Wet Line Gel. I've been doing a lot of protective styles. I've been doing a lot of twist out. I've been doing some braid outs. I've been practicing on my flat twist, just to be doing, but the Extreme Wet Line Gel is not harsh on your hair at all. So it doesn't give my hair a hard cast or anything like that. And since Sunday is my wash day, my deep condition day, I'm going to go ahead and just apply this. So, to get started though, I have to use my warm aloe vera juice and my Design Essentials leave-in conditioner. Look at that. Oh my God, I got to dig deep down here. So I'm not totally wetting it. I'm just moisturizing it. Just moisturizing. And that's another thing. I do a lot of scalp massages. Every time I shampoo and condition my hair, I use my scalp massager. That one that I bought from the Dollar Tree for $1. And I'm just brushing this out. And this is going to be this is something that's real quick and easy. You get you the gel. And I always, when I do my gels, I always make sure I get that root to make sure that I'm able to work down that gel and not have any dry patches. So my hair is not totally soaked. That's why I'm calling this a wash and go on dry hair. Well, I'm going to say a wash and go on moisturized hair. A wash and go on moisturized hair, because that's what it is. Okay, oops, see? You see, the curls are already defining. Extreme Wet Line is very good about defining your curls. So if you have a curl pattern, Extreme Wet Line Gel or Wet Line Extreme Gel, I don't know exactly which one to call them yet. They will find your pattern. And see, this is not wet. It just has that gel feeling to it. So this is something that's good to wear in the wintertime. So you won't have to go outside with a soaking wet head. Okay, so I'm going to turn around one more time so you can see it. My curls. Okay, and we're just going to continue. See? Sure. little of my extreme wet line gel, wet line extreme gel. Be careful because you don't want to run into a knot and pull your hair out, so be careful with your hair. I don't have long hair. I have, right now I'm in that awkward stage of hair, so I don't have that many knots, but they do exist. They can pop up. My goal is to create healthy, natural hair on my head and to educate others of what I learned. Okay? That's my goal. Now, what I'm going to do is, since I've already applied the gel, you can never have, I'm sorry, you can never have too much of a good thing for your hair. There's not a lot of protein in here. There's a leave-in conditioner, and there is aloe vera juice, which I am about to go to the store and get some more. So that's why I'm spraying it. Now, what I do at this point is, once I have made sure that I have applied the product all over my head, which the product is the gel, I shake my hair. I shake my hair. Make sure I don't knock this over. You all have just witnessed me transform my hair from a moisturized Afro to a moisturized and go. That's what I'm going to call it, because it's not a wash and go. It's a moisturize and go. Using the extreme wet line gel. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel and new to my journey, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. This is already an incredible journey for me. Already. So I would love you all to witness this journey and watch as I just document and learn about my natural hair. And everybody's hair is different, but we all have similar characteristics in some shape, form, or fashion. So if there is a possibility that you could learn something from me, because I am learning a lot from YouTubers that I'm watching. Okay, so, and if you all have any comments or any questions or anything, please leave them in the comment box below. I really want some feedback. I want some feedback. I want some questions. I want some suggestions. I want you all to tell me, you know, I recommend that you do this, do this, do that. That's fine. I'm open to all of it. This is a journey, and you cannot get far in a journey if you're not learning. I'm learning, and I am growing, and I am praising God all the way, because I am keeping God first in everything that I do. And you guys should do the same thing. Keep God first in everything you do. So here's a close-up. And here's the back. And that is it. Go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell. Visit me on Facebook. I have all my links down below. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to work with this, to learn this, to appreciate this. This is something that you have to learn to appreciate. And once you learn to appreciate it, it will go in your favor. Alright? Love you guys. Keep God first in everything you do. Alright.